Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something exciting for all the students and work from home warriors out there. Student table design ideas. Your study space plays a crucial role in boosting productivity and enhancing your focus. So let's dive into these creative study tables design that are both functional and stylish. We have the minimalistic marvel. Keep it simple with a clean, cluttered, free design. A sleek desk, a comfortable chair, and soft lighting create a focused environment. Add a touch of personality with a small plant or a motivational quotes board. Next on the list is the multifunctional magic option for a table with built-in storage solutions, shelves, drawers, and compartments can help you keep your study essential organized. It is a game changer for small space, allowing you to maximize functionality without sacrificing style. Try the DIY Dream Decks. Customize your study space by repurposing old furniture or creating a unique desk from scratch. Not only does this option save your money, but it also gives you a sense of accomplishment and a personalized touch to your workspace. For those deadline with limited space, consider the space-saving wonder. Floating desk, wall-mounted tables, and compact design can help you make the most out of your available areas. It is all about efficiency without compromising on comfort. Escape the rustic retreat. Incorporate natural elements like wooden table, earthy tones, and soft textures. This design brings warmth to your study space, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere that encourage focus. Embrace the future with integrate smart features like bullet-in charging station, cable organizer, and adjustable heights. A high-tech study table can enhance your workflow and keep you connected without the clutter. Brighten up your study section with the colorful oasis. Choose vibrant furniture or add a pops of color through accessories. Studies show that colors can impact mood and energy level, so pick hues that inspire and motivate you. Invest in your wall being with ergonomic elegance. Choose a study tables and chair design for comfort and proper posture. Sportive chair and a adjustable desk height can make long study session more comfortable and reduce the risk of discomfort. Finally, create a nature inspired nook. Bring the outdoors in with natural materials, plants, and earthy tones. Studies suggest that power to nature can enhance creativity and focus, making this design perfect for a sense study environment. And there you have it. Creative study tables design ideas for transform your study space. Remember, the key is to find a balance between functionality and style that suit your personal taste and enhance your productivity. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design ideas.